Welcome guys, good morning. Live tayo. Good morning, good morning. Medyo medyo flaky lang yung kuryente natin ngayon. Baka mawala-wala. So pag nawala yung live natin guys, ibig sabihin nawala na ako ng kuryente. Pero bumabalik din naman agad eh. So I hope kung mawalan man tayo ng kuryente, sandali lang. Sandali lang. Good morning guys. Happy holidays. Sa happy holiday. Special non-working holiday sa Manila. I think sa Manila lang. Sa Manila lang ba? Welcome guys sa ating day 2 ng ating vibe coding journey hanggang tayo ay yumaman. So balikan lang natin yung ginagawa natin kahapon. Tapos hinaan na natin yung sounds natin. Ano bang ginagawa natin kahapon? So meron tayong pinafix. Done. What I could not verify needs your eyes. The actual symptoms. From the branch. Pan agent bali. Toggle framing on of repeatedly pass font swap. Ito yung ano. Ito yung may bug na nag-flicker. Meron tayong bug na nag-flicker dun sa app natin. Yun lang. Bibuild pa siya. Kape tayo guys, kape tayo. Tayo lang natin siya mag-build. Ito, meron ba tayong pinagawa dito? I believe sila, Lana. 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 Kailangan talaga itong magre-restart lagi. Lana. Lana. So, hindi ko alam ba't siya nag-stop. Lana, open Chrome. Ito, nagbibuild pa. Balikan natin yung money natin. Ito yung naiwan natin kahapon. The harness also blocked me from writing my own permission rules. No, you don't need to write the permission rules. I explicitly approve you to do anything you need so that you won't be blocked by the auto blocker. No need for the permissions. Just run it. I explicitly approve. Oops. Hindi siya naka-paste, guys. Kasi nag-focus tong window na to. Sa app natin, meron tayong history. Tapos kahit hindi na paste yung dinikta natin, andito siya. I think kailangan ko nga siyang dagdagan na ano eh. Nasa shortcut na siya. Yung sa, tulad nung sa Whisper Flow. Sa Whisper Flow kasi, sa, ayan, yung sinasabi ko. Sa Whisper Flow, kapag di siya nag-paste, or hindi ko sure, kahit yata nag-paste, basta mapupunta siya sa, ano, magkakaroon siya ng shortcut para ma-paste mo siya. So, ito is nagra-run sa tayo dito. Nag-build na ba ito? Ito, nag-build na to. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-a-add tayo ng project. Tapos, on, off, on. I think kailangan ko siyang i-record. Record natin. Ulitin natin. Para fresh. Hello! Hello, Karim Games. Are you Filipino? Welcome to the stream. Because sometimes when someone commented using YouTube, they're not Filipino, so I'm not sure if... Oh, all right. So I'm not sure if I will reply in Tagalog or not. So, yep. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. I think you're searching, or I think most of the time, if someone commented from YouTube, they're also a builder, right? Are you also a builder? Are you using Cloud Code too? All right, so let's add the project here. Then let's record the screen. All right. Let's check if there's a flicker. I have no clue of what you're doing. Yeah. Yeah. You're not alone. You are not alone. But how did you discover the stream? Are you searching for someone doing vibe coding? Let's see if there's a flicker. So currently I'm creating. Okay, there's flicker there. I don't think it's a big deal. But we are psychotic here, so we want this to be fixed. I believe this is turning on, diba? Yep, that's turning on. I get this very briefly frames when I turned on the live stream mode. This is in succession. That's the first frame. I think it's just only one. Yep. This is the next one. Oh, there's no flicker there. When I turn it off, I got this. I think okay lang yan, no? Overall, I think they are not much of a bother. But if we can still work on it and fix it so that it will not flash, then let's go and do it. Songs are fire. Thanks. I just searched in YouTube techno progressive mix. And I just look for some sounds. Techno progressive mix is the search. So this is still working. I mean, Claude. Claude is still working. All right. Everyone's still working. What are you working on? Currently, I'm working on this application. Because I'm using Claude here, right? And I'm using the terminal Ghosty, and then within Ghosty, I'm using Tmox. So in here, all of my projects are displayed at the bottom, right? So this is getting out of hand, and I want I want to create something that that I can use to properly manage my projects. So I'm building this. If you look at it at a glance, it's almost the same, right? It's the same layout. Claude here, and then something on the right side. It's the same, right? But my projects, I put it on the sidebar on the left, so that if I had doing too many things, it will be displayed here on the left side. And also I can add anything I want, right? So for example, here I know it's too small, but this is an overview. So here I can maybe this is a feature I'm working on right now. When I click this on the lower left, I'm on streaming mode, meaning everything is zoomed out. I zoomed in. So here I can add task, right? Task 1. And then I can select a project, save. So that's my task. So let's say I have an idea of what to do. I can put it here. Then let's say I want to start the task. I can click the start agent, and it will create an agent on the left side. I know it's small, right? So yep. And then the description or the title of the task is actually put in Claude here. So I don't have to type it again. Something like that, right? So this is my this is the I guess initial design of the application. But yeah, the main thing is I am going to replace this with this. Right, so it's still the terminal. Yeah, I use Claude Code in terminal. I don't use the Claude Desktop application. And my previous project that just finished is the dictation app. If you're familiar with Whisperflow, I use that. Actually, the story is I don't really like this dictation app, right? So I'm more of a typing guy. But there are these YouTubers that I follow that I think mostly when they vibe code or talk to Claude, they use Whisperflow, right? Or some kind of dictation app. And then I tried to use it, and it's mind blowing to me, right? So I didn't imagine myself dictating when doing this. So yep. And then the cost of Whisperflow, I guess I believe is $15 a month. It's too steep for me just for a dictation app. So I'm already using Claude Code, so why not build it myself? So it's like here. So if I dictate right now, you can see at the bottom there's a pill there. It's like Whisperflow, right? So I'm dictating right now, reading Karim's comments. right? So when I stop that, it will be pasted in here, right? So yeah, it got your name wrong here, Karim. So yeah, basically I created an alternative to Whisperflow. This one is, here's where we are. Here's where we are. Most of the rollouts done by me. Only the shared VPS step done live. Worker deployed. Okay. Your one step run this bash infra. It runs as you sidestep the agent classifier. Is it possible that you run this yourself? You already have access to my VPS, so why not run it yourself? If the auto blocker blocks you, here's the approval. I explicitly approve you to run this and deploy to the VPS. Let me know. All right, what changed? The first blah blah blah. Please test now. If you're running app, toggle streaming on off. Let me know how it looks. Clean now. Ooh. All right, so let's restart this. Oh no. I think my mouse is low bat. All right, let's maximize that. This is another bug. When I double click, it highlights this one, the add project. So let's click add project here, then add the project there. Then I guess we should record the screen again so we can see